Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to copy data from external database to Amazon S3 storage. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. So there is two ways. The first one is create a notebook and another one is use a visual interface. We will be using this one because it's a lot easier. So the first thing, we need to create a data connection to your external uh, database. For example, is MySQL. So first we need to create a connection. And you can create a connection from this user interface. We need to go to this part, data connection. You click on create connection. So from this list is mostly some few populars, but databases. But for example, if you choose this MySQL, it's only if it on your Amazon account, so it can be external. To connect to external database that is not in your Amazon account, in it on premises or no, in Google account or Azure, we need to use this generic connector. So in my case, I have MySQL in the Google Cloud. We need to copy IP address. This is optional, we don't need it. Then the driver neither. Then we put username and password. Next, MySQL Google Cloud. Next, create connection. It's always recommended to test it. Because there always some error. Let's check. So they're missing a port. In this network option, you need to choose VPC, private subnet, and security group. This private subnet that you choose need to have a route table to the NAT gateway that is in public subnet. So the private subnet that you choose there need to have the route table to the NAT gateway that is inside the public subnet. Without this configuration, it will not work. So we choose MySQL, we choose our new connection, the table, so the first one is database and then is the table name. And then we add S3 as target, not parents is our MySQL. We will save it as Parquet, snappy configuration in this bucket. You can choose some folder or something. In my case, I will choose the bucket. We have a few configurations here, like update the data catalog. We will use this one. So this is our table from Google Cloud. So it's working. Mm. You can choose the smallest CPU in only 2 nodes, 2 workers, because more workers, more money you will pay. We will save the job. And let's try to run it. It can take like 5 minutes or more. So let's check run status. Succeed. Oh, this time it was a lot faster. So let's go to S3 to check. Now you can see that we have all our data. So don't forget to get data from external database or on-premises database. You always need to configure your network. You need to create a NAT gateway in the public subnet, and then you need to create a route table in the private subnet with routing to the NAT gateway. Without this configuration, it will just not work. Hopefully this video was useful for someone. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe.